how to log in Heartland Bank online banking. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you log into your Heartland online banking account. So let's get started. First, as you have to open online banking app for Heartland Bank. As you can open it on browser, simply open that. Now from here, after you get the login page, you'll have to provide your login ID and password, and from there simply tap on login. If you forgot your password, simply you can tap on click here just at the beside of forgot password. Now from here you'll have to provide your login ID and register email. After that, tap on submit option at the bottom right. Now from there, a verification code or any kind of verification method will be applied. After you verify with that, you'll be able to recover or forget your password. After that, you can just log into your Heartland Bank online banking account. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.